Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna be checking in with you guys more often through these short videos like this one and update videos on just about anything that I think you guys will find useful. And today I want to show you guys something that I find very helpful when it comes to storing my fittings, and here they are. So these trays are actually used to store quarters. You can stack them, you can remove the top and access the bottom. And most of all, they fit perfectly in my storage drawers, as you can see. So I really love these because they fit my fittings perfectly. Now, if you're a more casual builder that does water cooling only here and there, you probably don't need something like this. But if you're always building, maybe you have a business or you work with a lot of brands, this might work for you. So the only downside to it is they're pretty pricey, around $10 to $20 depending on how many you buy. And well, there aren't really a lot of colors, but I am going to be making a 3D file on them, which I'm gonna be putting up on my Discord. So if you guys aren't a member of that yet, be sure to join our Discord, and I will have that file ready within the next few weeks or so. So there. Alright, that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.